Hey guys, just a quick one today because I didn't really see anyone else talking about this problem. This PlayStation 2 wouldn't play silver backed games. It would play the blue backed games and the PS1 games, no problem. That's fairly common, it happens. Normally it's just the laser. So I swapped the laser, exact same thing with the new laser. So there's no real reason for that, so I couldn't really figure out what was happening. So I swapped this whole mechanism, put it in another PlayStation, works fine. Okay, so I came back, took a closer look. Turned out it was the ribbon cable going from the console to the laser assembly. See here, not a lot. Just that though, when I checked it, the continuity, it wasn't. So I stuck in a new one. They're fairly cheap. You can pick them up on eBay or wherever. But just an interesting one. If you're after doing a laser swap or whatever, and you're not getting the same problem I have, maybe you won't play PlayStation games, maybe you won't play the blue back ones, just inspect the ribbon cable and make sure it's okay. It's not a problem I'd seen before. Normally when the ribbon's damaged, it just doesn't really read games. It was strange there that obviously it's whatever pin it is damaged, it was still able to function, just not for the silver games. Okay, thanks guys.